Hey, what's up, good people? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. I'm back home out on a Sunday afternoon. If you're new to the page, go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell. And if you've been rolling with me, you guys know, go ahead and hit the like button. All right. Hey, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. Make sure you don't fall for any spam in the comment section. Listen, a couple of things. Number one, we know that crypto has fallen under the 1,500 mark, and then it's falling under levels of support. You guys know that we got a bunch of it actually last year at 18. We rolled it up. A lot of you guys took profits and went down, and some of you guys are still holding. Myself, personally, I still have every bit of my Ethereum, and I'm actually dollar cost averaging. So I have not, I'm not selling any of my Ethereum. I don't care if it goes into crypto winter. I'm taking this time to accumulate, right? And we also know, I believe it's the 13th and 14th. Look at my previous video. This coming week, I want you to Google it. It's called the FOMC meeting. It's the Fed meeting. That's when the Fed will tell you exactly what they're going to do with the interest rates, and what they're going to be doing with the bonds. And so that is, they're going to give you a forecast, and it's going to affect the stock market negatively or positively. All right. I believe mostly, negative, to be honest with you. The Fed has been asleep at the wheel, and they have to be more aggressive right now. Truth be told, I mentioned that they should have, in the last rate hike, they should have just went 75, right? They should have just went 75%. And now, the truth be told, they need to go 100 points, not percent, points. But some think that's too aggressive. But I'm of the mindset that we just need to pull the Band-Aid off really quick instead of a slow where you can feel every prick. I believe that inflation would be under control with the quantitative tightening and the interest rate hikes. And it's going to happen one way or another. So we just need to make it right now and let the market do what it's going to do. But we'll see. We'll see what they do this coming week, right? And I really want to talk about two things. And one is, this time is different, not. And the other is, they want you to tap out. Okay. You guys know it's Sunday. I usually go inspirational, but I'm going to tell you guys this. You hear a lot going, yeah, hey, this time is different, but this time is different. Yeah, but this time is different. This time is not different. There is a lot of things that are different. You know, we got the geopolitical situation with the war and all of that. But history has proven itself time after time that this is the time that you should be accumulating into good companies with fair evaluations, with fair multiples. And this is absolutely the time to be accumulating, right? But not stopping here, but through a recession. So whenever the recession comes, of course, we will know when Q2 GDP numbers come out, gross domestic product. We will know emphatically where we are. Are we already in a recession, or is there a recession yet to come? So I'm in this market. I'm just waiting for the data. You know, you can guess one way or another, and the numbers keep proving you're wrong, right? Just like the CPI numbers, you know, it was ridiculously high, 8.6. And we really needed to be 8.2, 8.1, 8 is where we needed to be, not 8.6. And hey, I just came back from Vegas, and we drove up to Utah for Josh's daughter's wedding. And it is simply insane. For those of you that have traveled or just going out to eat, buying clothing, anything, buying a car, anything, you don't have to wait for the Fed. You could see that inflation is simply out of control. But here's what I want to say to you. They want you to tap out, right? They keep saying this time is different. It's not different. What's the fact is if you go through history and look at any time in history, you will see that now is the time to do what's difficult. I always say hold your nose and dollar cost average. And what are you dollar cost averaging in? Not into hype stock, not into meme stock, not into meme crypto, but good solid companies. This is the time because they will get oversold. Some of them are beneath fair multiples, and they will continue to get beat down during the recession. So now's the time to do what's right, to build generational wealth. It's actually an opportunity. And what I encourage you guys to do is get your family and friends into the stock market now. Get them educated on how to invest, how to trade, and how to use multiple apps to set themselves up. Just think about everything that you've been through in the last 2 years if you've been investing. Just think about the downward turn that you've watched your portfolios go. And just think about if you were starting new and you were going to invest all of the money that you have in the market and you were getting ready to start now knowing what you know, you would absolutely kill it. And so the best thing that you can do is share information with your family, friends, loved ones. If you have a trading app, then you need to get your wives and girlfriends, husbands and boyfriends, nieces, nephews, daughters, sons. You need to educate them now, because I can tell you there is a once in a lifetime opportunity that we're facing. And I know a lot of people are just pumping fear, but there's great opportunity. I've been through this in 2007 through 2009. 2008 was the worst year, but it was my most profitable year before 2020 and 2021. So let's just get ready. And so they want you to tap out. And I will tell you, literally, there are people literally telling you that the true bottom of the market is when you and I, the retail investor, tap out. They just want you to tap out. So what I suggest is don't tap out. Just wait. If you're into these good companies. Now, if you into nothing but hype and you don't have any good solid companies, I don't know what to tell you. But all I can tell you is focus on the future. Focus on the future. I can tell you this. I don't care how much you are down. I don't care how much you lost. In 92, I lost everything. 100%. I put all of my money into a hype stock. I didn't do any study, nothing. And the company went belly up, right? And I stayed out of the market for years. But when I got back in the market and realized how much money I lost, I could have made all of that loss back. And I could have been well down the road financially. And so what I'm suggesting to you is stay in the race. Take your disciplines, everything that you've learned, and now, even if you have to open another portfolio just so you can see green and stop looking at the bloodbath of red, I'm suggesting to you to get ready. And I'm suggesting to you that every time a recession is over, the market is on its way to a bull market. Now, how long that's going to take, nobody knows. But I want you to Google it and they will tell you what the average is and you will be surprised. So there's more upside than there is downside. Okay. So I just wanted to address those two things, that they want you to tap out. And when you tap out, that is truly a sign of the bottom. Just Google it. Don't listen to Stock with Larry Jones. Google it. When you tap out, all of us tap out. That's when it's the sign of the bottom. Big money comes swooping in and buy everything at a discount, and they make yet even more money. The 5%, the 1% get richer, and you and I get poorer. That's the facts, right? And then I want you to not listen to, but this time is different. They say that every single time. They say it with jobs, job loss, And they say it with the housing market. This time is different. This time is no different. There will be job loss. The housing market will cool off greatly. And it is no different, all right? And I'm going to tell you that the data, previous data, supports everything I'm saying. I want you guys to Google it. And I'm going to be talking this week about oil and gold and crypto, because I want you to see something that's very clear of where the future is going and what's been happening in the correlation. All right, good people. So that's all I wanted to say. We know that crypto is crashing. It is just crashing down, crashing down. We're in a crypto winter, whether it's official or not. So the best thing that you can do, myself, I'm dollar cost averaging in crypto daily. I'm dollar cost averaging in stocks weekly. Okay. And so I want to leave it right there, good people. We will be talking because I'm going to be doing a small account challenge. I'm going to be using the Webull app for that. Stocks with Josh has a small accounts challenge, and we're going to be challenging each other. So in this challenge, we're going to teach you about stock, not for you to just listen and buy. We're going to be teaching you about stock. So you will be educated on how to be a better trader while you are making money. And so I'm going to be using Webull. Webull has a promotion going on right now, up to 11 free stock, with 1 share of Lucid. So you can deposit a penny and get free stock, right? And then it tiers up from there. So if you just wanted to deposit a penny and get free stock, then you could literally get 6 free stock with a penny. I want you to click the link. I want you to look at the promos. Either way it go, you're going to make money. And then, of course, with Webull, if you want to swing trade crypto, and that's what I use Webull for, to swing trade, same thing, deposit a penny. Good people, if you have one of these and don't have the other, just deposit a penny in both just to get started and get the free stuff. And stay tuned, because we are going to continue to show you guys how to make money. Hey, I love you guys on Sunday afternoon. Praying for you, praying for your finances, praying for your family, generational wealth. We're going to do what's necessary, and we will win in the end. I love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and learn.